Caroline's always been tough to find. She'll blow the wind and stumble home at night. Caroline's little hard to handle, gets in sticky situations she can't climb out of. Who's that letting their hand pull me out of the hole that keeps? Johnny's here every time she trips, the only thing giving is her sunny smile. Could light up this hotel, that sunny smile kept him running around, predictable, wild card after a while. He knew it all, said Caroline. You've done it this time. Caroline took his helping hand. She laughed and said, "This will never happen again." And Caroline calls him one day later. She convinces him like a devil on his shoulder. 2 years wasn't a waste. That's what he's thinking while she's calling. Bad habits go back to the same place when the angel in her ear is away. Her sunny smile could light up this hotel. That sunny smile kept him running around, predictable, wild card after a while. He knew it all, said Caroline. You've done it this time. Bittersweet Caroline and Johnny. She smiles sweet, then bitterly snatches his kiss. Her sunny smile could light up this hotel. That sunny smile kept him running around, predictable, wild card after a while. He knew it all, said Caroline. Oh, Caroline lit up the night with Johnny's silver light. Like it's the 4th of July. She's just fine, Johnny's not. She crashed his truck and broke his heart. Yes, Caroline, you've done it this time. Johnny and Caroline.